Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm clock on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the clock app on your iPhone. Select alarms. If you have existing alarms, then you should see all your alarm like this. Otherwise, you should have an empty space. Then go ahead and click on the plus button on the page. It could be at the top or on the screen. Then set your alarm time. Select whether it is PM or AM. Set whether to repeat the alarm or never to repeat. If you want to repeat the alarm, just go ahead and choose the days of the week that you want to repeat the alarm. If you don't want to repeat the alarm, make sure nothing is checked here. Then go back, click on sound. Then select your alarm sound. Then choose whether to snooze it or not. Then you can also click on snooze duration and then select how long you want to snooze your alarm. Then click on check mark at top right. Then you should see the alarm added. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to set alarm clock on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.